weekend is coming up, and although it's wise to continue practicing social distancing, it doesn't mean you can grill up some burgers.
Angie Horkan from the Wisconsin Beef Council has some new recipes to share.
Hi, Mark and Susan. I've got two awesome, tasty burger recipes today for us. Since Memorial Day is here, can you believe it? It's the official kickoff to summer grilling. And beef burgers are perfect on the grill all summer long. And so I've got two recipes. So some things to think about when you're making your beef burgers. Any kind of ground beef would work. I actually like a higher fat content ground beef when I'm grilling. Right now I'm grilling inside on this little electric grill, but outside on my gas or charcoal grill, I like the higher fat content ground beef because you're going to lose a lot of your juices, your fat through your grill grate. So if you start with a really lean ground beef, like a ground round or ground sirloin, you might want to add an egg and some breadcrumbs to keep it bound together and keep some moisture in there. But these are just ground sirloin burgers in here in my indoor grill. And I just get it on low, and always use your meat thermometer when grilling burgers, so you can check that temperature. You want to insert it horizontally from the side and make sure they get up to 160 degrees. And then you know you're done and they're cooked through and ready to go. So let's talk about the recipes. The first recipe is called a Caribbean beef burger with a mango salsa. And I'm starting with the Hawaiian bun. And then I've just got a beef patty. And I added to my ground beef some Caribbean jerk seasoning, a couple tablespoons, so a pound of ground beef. So I did that already. And I grilled them. So I put them on my buns, and I did take a minute and toasted the buns first. And then a simple, fresh mango salsa. And I started with, you can use one real mango. I have the real jarred mango, which I love because it's so easy. So about the equivalent to one mango, it's about a cup. A little bit of green onion, fresh cilantro, a little bit of jalapeno, a little bit less than a half of a jalapeno, and then a tablespoon of fresh lime juice. And that is it. And this is so tasty on top of this ground sirloin beef burger with the Caribbean jerk seasoning in it. It is amazing. Okay, second recipe, barbecue chipotle burgers. And this is fun too because I'm starting with a really fun bun. I have just Texas toast that I made in the oven. Took about 6-7 minutes. So I baked that. And then just a plain beef burger patty. A little salt and pepper on it, and a homemade chipotle barbecue sauce. So I started with beer as the base, and then added some Worcestershire, some ketchup, some brown sugar, and then a little bit of this, the chipotle peppers in adobo sauce. And reduce that on the stovetop, and it makes a super tasty, easy homemade barbecue sauce. And actually you could use this on anything, even on your steaks on the grill if you're grilling steaks this Memorial Day weekend. So our Wisconsin Beef Council website is beeftips.com, and click on right on the home screen at Home with Beef, and you'll find these recipes plus a lot of other great grilling recipes perfect for this coming holiday weekend. So back to you, Mark and Susan.
Well, now I'm hungry.
Me too. They look great.
The problem with Angie not being in the studio is we don't get to taste it.
That's true, or the smell-o-vision either.
But it was awfully good.
Yeah.
Thank you, Angie. Beeftips.com.